Do you want to know how you can close your Remitly account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily close your Remitly account. Go ahead and open Remitly on your phone. Once you open it, make sure that you have an account. Log into your account and you will see this type of interface. What you need to do now to close your account is go to Manage. Then scroll a bit down. If you don't find Close Your Account, click on Profile. Then scroll all the way down and you can see under My Remitly there is option of Close My Profile. Tap on it and tap on I understand that I won't have access to my profile after it is closed. You can read what Remitly has to say and click on Close My Profile. After you click on Close My Profile, you can notice that you have officially deleted or closed your profile and you can no longer access this profile. You must add or create a new account if you want to make a new account on Remitly now. So guys, this is how easily you can close your account on Remitly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.